Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can turn yourself into a mirror dimension character using Pippit AI for free. Okay, let's get into it guys. First, you're going to open up Pippit AI website. Then you're going to sign in to get free credits and go to the home menu right here. And I'm going to add my prompt. Then I'm going to upload a random photo from my device. I'm going to choose this one, and then I'm going to submit the photo and also the prompt to the AI and let the AI do something for my photo. Okay, done. These are the results. Wow, that's so cool. And I'm going to go with this one. And if you want to download it, you can click on this download option and the photo will be saved to your device. Or if you're not satisfied, you can click on regenerate here and the AI will regenerate the photos for you. Okay guys, and that's how you can transform yourself into a mirror dimension character using Pippit AI for free. I hope this video will be useful for you. If you want to try it yourself, you can click Pippit AI join link on my YouTube description and try to make any photo or any video as creative as you can.